Well, hello, friends. I bet you wonder what I've been doing with my day today. Yeah, paperwork was a real bear inside. I'm just so glad to be out here in the garden. And I'm so glad that you're here with me. Friends, my work list is very long. It seems like as I check them off at the top, I keep adding new jobs at the bottom. I guess it's just that time of year. Today, I got some potting up done, and then we're going to look at the sunflowers. We're going to try to keep it short. But before I go any further, I want to thank those that were part of the conversation. I'm going to go through the comments, and I'm going to give you a proper thank you at the end of the video. So friends, without any further ado, let's get to this. A little water for these. This is the borage. Just potted up. See if we come back. And over here, we got the little cucamelons. This one was probably a little small, but hey, we're getting out of that 6-pack one way or another. That's the cucamelons. One more thing we potted up today. These are the impatiens. What was the name of them again? Poor Man's Orchid. Yeah, that's what they're called, their nickname. And look, my kale finally came up. Well, friends, these are my volunteer sunflowers. You see, Quiet has had to stake this one up already. And you probably wonder why. Well, I've got a little footage of the reason why. Look at all this. Those are seeds. Broken seeds. These are the ones that I planted. The sunflowers that I planted are still small. Petals missing. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you why this is happening. Yep, they will just ride my sunflowers until they break. I don't even know if I can get all 3 of them in here. They don't even seem to be scared of me. I'm not even standing that far from them. And there's like 4 or 5 of them waiting for their turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we got 4 of them in here now. Working my sunflowers over good. Good thing I'm not trying to collect seeds yet. These are the volunteer ones. And now I'm beginning to understand why I have so many volunteer sunflowers. Yeah. Very pretty. Friends, I'd like to thank you for helping me make decisions about what to do with my comfrey. Thank you. Well, friends, that's all I have for today. I want to thank you again for participating in the conversation. And how many parrots did you see? Did you see the same number I did? Oh my goodness. The things that happen in a garden. Well, friends, that's all I have for today. So I guess until next time, it's time for me to say goodbye. I just want to thank you again for stopping by and giving me a visit, and tell you just how much I appreciate the time that we spend together. And until next time, my friends, I'm going to say bye-bye for now. So bye-bye. Bye.